Cancer is a major health concern worldwide. Did you know that some everyday foods could be increasing your risk? While no single food causes cancer, certain foods are linked to a higher risk. Let's explore the 14 foods that research indicates may increase cancer risk. First, processed meats. A study shows that eating just 50 grams daily could raise colorectal cancer risk by 18% and breast cancer by 6%. Consider limiting these to special occasions and pair them with fiber-rich vegetables. Next, high-sugar foods and beverages. A review found that a high intake of added sugar is linked to a 60–95% increased cancer risk. Sugary drinks specifically raise endometrial cancer risk in women. Alcohol is classified as a Group 1 carcinogen. Moderate drinking can still increase risks for several cancers, including breast cancer. Although some studies suggest benefits from red wine, try alcohol-free days regularly. Then, we have ultra-processed foods. If the ingredients are unrecognizable, they're likely ultra-processed. Research links these foods to increased breast and colorectal cancer risks. Aim for whole foods as much as possible. Red meat consumption is also concerning. High intake raises several cancer risks, including colorectal and breast cancers. Try to limit servings and swap for fish or poultry. Fried foods present another risk. Eating the most fried foods is shown to increase stomach cancer risk significantly. Consider baking or air frying as healthier alternatives. Grilled, barbecued, and smoked meats create harmful compounds when cooked at high temperatures. Marinating meats can reduce risks, and loading your grill with vegetables is wise. If you eat foods with nitrates and nitrites, be cautious. These preservatives raise the risk of prostate and stomach cancers significantly. Opt for nitrate-free options whenever you can. Love high salt and pickled foods? These can also raise stomach cancer risk. Consider using herbs and spices to flavor your meals instead. Refined grains are stripped of nutrients and linked to colon and stomach cancers. Choosing whole grains can reduce your risk by 17%. High glycemic index foods spike blood sugar levels, which can lead to certain cancers. Switching to whole grain options releases sugar more slowly. Foods high in saturated and trans fats raise cancer risk significantly. Favor healthier fats like olive oil and nuts instead. Very hot beverages are classified as possibly carcinogenic. Wait for drinks to cool before consuming to help reduce risks. Lastly, the relationship between dairy and cancer varies. Men consuming high amounts of dairy show increased prostate cancer risk. Moderation is key if there's a family history. The overall eating pattern plays a crucial role in cancer risk. Try to make simple changes this week and gradually build on them. Your choices matter. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe for more health insights. Your wellness is our mission.